Hi, I'm Victor Watson of Karoo Wild Safaris. It's a beautiful morning here in the Karoo, South Africa. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we set a rifle in for South African hunting conditions. So you've arrived in camp, your rifle's been on many flights, it's been handled by several people. It's always a good idea to check the zero before you go out hunting. Now in South Africa we get many different types of hunting environments. The terrain varies quite a bit. We get valley thickets, we get a lot of mountains, plains. Shots can generally vary from 50 to 250 yards. It's a very good idea to set your rifle in such a fashion that it shoots quite flat over that terrain so that you don't have to allow for the different distances. So for that reason we like to set our rifle in that the zero is at 200 yards. Now what that means is when the bullet leaves the barrel, it's below the line of sight, it's rising up at 50 yards, it's zero. It's going a little bit higher towards 100 yards, 2.5 inches higher, drops in at 200 yards, zero again, drops off a little bit, and then from 250 yards, once the bullet starts slowing down and gravity takes effect, then it starts dropping quite rapidly. So I'm going to have a shot now. Our rifle range is at 100 yards, so ideally I want this rifle shooting 2.5 inches high at 100 yards. Now on the range, always like to have two shots. For that, you want to try and get a grouping. It's always a bad idea to have one shot and set your rifle in from there. If it's a bad shot, you're just compounding the error. So I'll generally have two shots. If I don't get a grouping, I'll shoot some more until I get a grouping and then adjust the rifle. So I'm going to go ahead and have a couple of shots here. You might just want to block your ears there. Okay, let's go have a look. So if we have a look over here, these are two previous shots I shot with my 270. I shot now with the 7x64. So I think that was my first shot, that was my second shot. So the average I'd say is about there, the grouping is about in the middle, so it's not shooting too bad. It needs to go 1 inch to the right, which with my rifle telescope represents 4 clicks. So 1 click is 1/4 inch at 100 yards. That'll put it over there, and I need to go a little bit higher. I'd say maybe 1/2 inch higher, which represents 2 clicks. From there it'll be zero, and we're good to go hunting.